Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Samruddh Daimodkar. So let's talk about some apps that you should be having on your mobile phone, and if you don't have them then you are missing on such great apps that you will definitely think that you should have had from beginning. So yeah, without any delay, let's begin with the video. So guys, before we start with our video, I wanted to tell you that WhatsApp has just delayed its policy by 3 months. So now you get time till May to understand their policy and accept or delete WhatsApp, whatever you want. Okay, so let's get back to the video now. As you can see on the screen on my left, the first app that I'm going to be talking about is by Google. It's known as Digital Wellbeing. So yeah, this is an app developed by Google which shows you how much time you have used which app, then how much time you were active on your phone. Then you can set a new mode on it known as bedtime. It also has a focus mode, so that if you are a student it is very useful for you, that if you turn on the focus mode, you will be able to stop all the incoming messages and everything calls. Then it also has a do not disturb mode, and it's a very nice app by Google. It also has a parental control feature, so you can definitely use this feature when you are sleeping or when you are busy or when you don't want to get disturbed by anyone else. So yeah, this was the first app. The second app that I will be talking about today is Keep Notes by Google. This helps the users to keep notes of whatever they want. It's a great app for people who forget things and keep on writing things and want to stack up their good notes and everything. Then the third app that I will be talking about today is the Google Photo Scan app. This is an app that you can use to scan photos like the albums, digital albums or whatever you have, and make a soft copy of them. I would prefer this only for photos or digital albums, to scan them and make a soft copy. This is not recommended by me for PDFs because there are many good apps for PDFs like Adobe Scan and Microsoft Lens out there. So you can definitely check them out. If you want, I will put them in the description box below. So the fourth app is also by Google that I will be talking today. It is the Google Authenticator app. It is basically a app which helps you in two-factor authentication process. It supports Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, then many other apps like Google also, then your password keepers or whatever you are using. The two-step code can be used from this app as well. So definitely check this out. Fifth app is very interesting and you can earn money from this app. This is also made by Google. It is known as the Google Rewards app. So yeah, this app is also quite interesting. What happens is you have to just put your age and Google records your location history and other things, and in a little time span, they ask you questions and surveys. You just have to answer the surveys and you get paid for that. Okay, now coming to the next app that I will be telling about, the Google Go. This is a mini browser kind of thing. This helps you in kind of downloading photos, videos, or maybe anything else like apps or whatever. You can do voice search. You can use Google Lens from here. This is quite a nice app. For example, if I find, okay, let me check for Hardik Pandya. So yeah, this is all about Hardik Pandya's today. So if I go to images, these are the images that you cannot usually download. Sometimes from Google you cannot download these images, but if you click on any one image, just tap and hold, you can either share this image directly with your friends or family, or you can download the image as I can and see. It will be automatically saved in your gallery. There it is. Okay. So this is also a useful app. If you want, you can use it. One more app that is made by Google and is very useful if you are using is the Google Tasks app. This helps you to keep reminders and note down your tasks, what you want to do, so that you don't forget them. This is also a quite useful feature if you want. For people who tend to forget things easily, this is a very nice app. Okay, so that was all about apps made by Google. Now let's come to some more apps which can be useful for your phone. And downloading is based on you. Whatever you want to download, you can download. Okay, so very useful feature to keep all your government documents in one place, and is suggested by the Goa government or Indian government, is DigiLocker. You might have heard about it. It's basically an app which has all your digital documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, whatever, registration of vehicles, everything. So by chance if RTO or someone stops your vehicle and asks you for driving license, and if you don't have, you can show them this soft copy, because RTO has issued a new rule that you can show them a soft copy as well. So that will save you from a fine of maybe 1000, 2000, whatever they demand. So one more useful app. And yeah, so moving to the next app, it is definitely one of the most famous and widely used apps in India. This is the Truecaller app. This is very useful if you get calls from unknown people and if you want to know whose number it is. Yeah, that is one feature, and this is also useful for blocking spam calls, and you can also use this for blocking spam SMS or spam calls, or even those 140 telemarketers series. Yeah, this is also quite a useful app. So yeah, definitely check this out, and I think most of you will be having this app. Yeah, one more basically very nice app is the Zedge app, as you can see on the screen. See, you can download wallpapers, you can download video wallpapers, ringtones, then notification sounds. You can also upload your own manual content. And yeah, there are many things. Video wallpapers, lovely landscapes, skulls, whatever you want, you can get from this app. So customized wallpaper and all, and everything. Then the next app is the Disk Digger app. This app requires your phone to be rooted so that you can fetch back the photos which you had deleted by mistake or maybe purposely. This app helps to recover all the deleted photos and videos from your phone only if your phone is rooted. So this is also another useful app. My phone is not rooted, so I cannot show you how it works. Next simple app is the video downloader. Basically this app helps in downloading from any social media like Facebook, Instagram or Twitter or any other, WhatsApp also, everything except YouTube. YouTube has its own privacy policies or something, because of which no other third party app can download YouTube videos on the mobile. If any such app exists, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will also love to use it. Okay, so last two apps that I'm going to talk about in this video is the Courier Tracker app, which has all the couriers. If you order a lot of things online, then this is a very useful app for you. This is usually not required to be kept in your phone, but whenever you want to track any courier by any courier brand in India, this is the app you should look for, because all the courier services are available on this app. So yeah, if you order a lot of things online, this will be the best app for you. And last but not the least, the app which is very useful if you are stuck somewhere and if you want someone to know the owner, if you want to know the owner of any car, then this is a very useful app to check their challan, to check their bank balance, or to check who owns the car and where it is registered, what is the insurance. So basically how this works to find the owner is, you have to go to RC search, then you have to type the number of your car which you want to search for and click on search. Then an ad will show up, because this app earns its revenue from ads, and then you will get all the details including the model number, owner's name, when it was bought, whether it is a petrol or diesel vehicle, and till when is the insurance valid, and much more details. So this is also a useful app, you must definitely try out. So yeah guys, these were the apps that I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope this video was useful and you did not know about some of these apps and their uses, and I just hope that I could help you in a good way to make your mobile phone more productive. And yeah, I hope that you will use all these apps and definitely tell me your experience with them. And I will be definitely coming up with one more video next week that will be based on, you will definitely have to wait for that. I'm not going to tell you what it will be based on. So yeah, till then, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.